So a call's just come in for a male boomslang. It's been hanging around this guy's garden for, it says, about 4 weeks now, and goes from house to house raiding birds' nests. So he's got a dog and he doesn't want it hanging around, especially with the whole anti-venom situation. So I'm gonna go and try and remove it for him. In a tree, so we got the long tongs. So you don't want them raiding a bird's nest anymore.
It just stays here. It's been here now.
Yeah.
In and out of this
Yeah,
tree now for years.
Don't know, really, eh?
Yeah. But he'll stay here virtually.
How did you even spot him?
Eh?
How did you even spot him?
Hey, he's been here for years. I always
Really?
look for him. He's been in the
funny.
same place now for a week.
Yeah.
But it gets out and it goes in here. You can see here.
That's so cool. Right here, boomslang sitting. Yeah.
The nailed and this nest, yeah.
Oh, shame. So he's going through every nest.
And hey, you get inside.
Yeah, I remember this side of the garden because we came through that gate. No. Oh, he's a lovely yellow one, hey? Oh, his headless.
But he,
Yeah, I don't want to lose him.
but he's yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Now
he'll
try.
stay here for weeks, eh?
Is it, eh?
When the bag out.
Oh no, that's just for him to hide under.
Okay.
Okay, but no, he's probably going to want to move. Yeah, what, bud? Let's head this side. Yeah. What a beaut of a snake, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. Easy. He's still nice and cold.
I'm sure he comes here for the sun here
Yeah.
in the mornings.
You want to have a look at him there? He's in a relax.
I've seen him lots of times.
Nice, eh?
Yeah, beautiful. I've seen him, but the female was actually longer than that one.
Okay, thanks. There we have a nice boomslang. So here's just a closer look at that boomslang we caught yesterday. A really stunning male. He's very eager to go, so I'm just going to let him head off into the bush. And off he goes.